Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that every homeowner needs: replacement blades for your lawn mower. And not just any replacement blades, we're going to be talking about the ADP-CS 8.3 cm plastic grass trimmer blade replacement blades for Einhell lawn mower. These replacement blades are the perfect solution for anyone looking to keep their garden in top shape. Whether you have a trimmer, a peeler, or a lawn mower, these plastic blades are compatible with a wide range of models, making them versatile and convenient. Not only are these blades easy to install, but they also come with the added benefits of safety and convenience. You won't need any extra tools to get them set up and running, which means you can spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your beautifully manicured lawn. And let's talk about the material. These blades are made of high-quality plastic and come in a vibrant red color that's easy to spot in your toolkit. With a length of 83 mm and the perfect circle diameters, you can trust that these blades will get the job done without any fuss. But wait, there's more. When you order through the link in the description, you'll not only get these high-quality replacement blades, but you'll also be supporting a reliable seller that's committed to providing the best service for their customers. Whether you're looking for wholesale or drop shipping options, they've got you covered. So why wait? Click the link in the description and get your hands on the ADP-CS 8.3 cm plastic grass trimmer blade replacement blades for Einhell lawn mower today. Trust us, your lawn will thank you for it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.